Hey guys, welcome back. This is how to get a refund on PlayStation Plus subscription. So first, just simply open up a browser and go to Google and search over here PlayStation refund. And from here, just simply go ahead and click on this one, PS Store and refunds. So just simply click on this. From here, guys, just simply go for the refunds over here. And after that, just simply scroll down and go for the requesting a PS Store refund. And from here, go ahead and go for the refund for subscriptions. And from here, you should be able to see this option, request a refund. Now, from here, guys, you will have information on how to request a refund. And you should be able to see here to check if you're eligible for a refund. And in order for you to get help, just simply scroll down, guys, and you should be able to see here contact PlayStation support. And now from here, it will redirect us over here. As you can see, they are open 24/7. So just simply click on this one. And after that, you should be able to see here this one, chat now. And from here, just simply provide your first name and last name. And from here, just simply click on start chatting and you should be able to get help from a PlayStation support and just simply ask for a refund. And that's simply about it. Thanks for watching. See ya.